Okay, so this is our first demo of the DreamFilter.
Sit to the end. You got to hold your head down, baby.
She's saturating the hair really well. How's it smell, Andrea?
It doesn't have a smell.
Okay.
Which is a good thing.
Because I want to make sure, especially
What's it feel like?
Water.
yeah, it's almost like a strong smell. Yeah, but on the wall, it reminds me of the Dreamcoat a little bit, maybe.
Yeah, if it was
Right.
very fumy, I couldn't do it. I'd be having a tap right now. Okay, so 5 minutes.
Let's just do 3. The instructions say 3. Let's just do 3 and see how it goes. Yeah, just go ahead and shampoo it. Put the shampoo right on top.
Okay, I want to be Marilyn Monroe.
Well, if you weren't blonde before, you're not going to be blonde.
Right,
But whatever natural hair you have is what it's going to leave it.
right.
How does it feel, Andrea?
It feels good. It feels really good.
It took some of the frizz away too.
Yeah, definitely.
And I didn't put anything in there.
No, I need to get my hair done again. But
And need to get a color. She's
Yeah.
forecast. She's going for
everything. And look
and
at
it made a
the
difference.
difference.
So it actually made it look like you just got a new color job, didn't it?
Right. It blended everything nice. It looked